because
nobody's ready.
it's just like how we know June gonna come every year.
No,
I'm saying it's the same
so
thing.
now a month is this. Why is it hurricanes coming like this? That's all I'm asking.
Why the blizzards happen in the wintertime?
It don't. It rarely happens. It's going years without a blizzard. Man.
But that's what I'm trying to say. It's like, but they only happen during that time of year, though. You don't get a blizzard in June. That's what I'm saying. We talking about, like, I ain't even trying to sound the people, but we talking about, I don't even want to use that word, climate change, but bro, that's what we talking about.
What?
We talking about the weather. I don't like that term, climate change. I don't like it. But I'm talking about.
Okay, well, let's ask this, and we can